Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you real quick one of my all-time favorite simple and easy go-to whether brunch, lunch or dinner, which is tortillas. Right here is the meat that I'm gonna use, which is minced beef, along with sweet peppers assorted, some garlic and some onions, and over here we have fillings of my choice, which is gonna be lettuce, carrot and avocado. You can use just about any filling that you want, but this is just a few of the filling that I'm gonna use, and that's gonna be topped off with some cheese. So here we go. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and show you fast, real easy, how I seasoned the minced beef. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw some salt over it like that, not too much, because I'm gonna be using one of my all-time favorite ingredients. I'm gonna be using my all-purpose Jamaican seasoning. You can go ahead and use whichever seasoning that you wish, but my all-purpose Jamaican seasoning have just about everything in it. So when I use this seasoning, I really don't even need anything else, but I like to add a little salt to it just to bring up all the flavor and all the other seasoning that's into this all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna take a little and I'm gonna put it all over it, and then I'm gonna get my hand in there and mix that up to get all the seasoning in. Work that seasoning into the beef mince just the way I want it to be. Nice, and gets every single piece touched by the seasoning. There we go. That's all done. Okay, now over here I have my pot, which I'm going to go ahead and preheat and add a little vegetable oil to it. I'm doing this, I like to do it on high heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the onions and assorted seasonings. And let this saute real quick on high flame. Because I want all the flavors to come out into the seasoning, into the oil. But at the same time, I need to make my seasoning crunchy in the tortilla, just about how I want it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add all of the meat in there. So what I need to do is go really fast to distribute this throughout the pot, because it cooks really fast. And you let this stay on high flame while you're doing it. So you just stir as you go along so that the meat doesn't lump up on you and everything cooks same time. And you can add just about anything to your beef mince when you're cooking it. You can add mixed vegetables, you can add beans, you can add corn, you can add just about everything. But but for this video, I'm just showing you it plain as it is right now, with the assorted beautiful vegetables in it. And as soon as you see all the red disappear from your beef mince, you can turn it off. You know it's cooked. You don't need to cook it longer than that. Once everything becomes brown and there's no more red visible, you can go ahead and turn off your beef mince. Because you don't want to overcook it, because the more you cook the mince, the tougher it becomes. So if you realize I haven't moved from the stove the minute I put it in there, I mix it until it's all cooked, and voila, there we go. Everything is all distributed, all the red is gone. So now we can go ahead and turn this off, and our beef mince is done cooking. Now we're gonna move to the fillings. Here I have tortilla cup. I like to use these because then I don't make a mess when I use just the round flat ones. So what I'm gonna do to show you guys how I do the filling, I like to put a little lettuce at the bottom first, just a little, so that the mince doesn't soak through. So I like to do that. So let's love everything actually at the bottom first. A little avocado. Like that. And then I'm gonna add my mince, hot and nice, on top of all that. That looks so good, you guys. And then you can go ahead and add some more of what you add to the bottom. And then you can top that off with some cheese. And voila, there we have our tortilla, quick and easy and ready to eat. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video.